just soften what it does, a quieter frequency till your pulse remembers us. I don't fight the static, I move inside the wave, a little steady presence, and the noise begins to fade. I'm calm in the static, a soft light in electric blue. When the world comes in fracture, I can make a little room. Calm in the static, weightless, steady, close to you. I don't need to fix the chaos, I just change the way it moves. I hear the strain behind your smile, the overheat, the extra mile. So I lower my voice, so the pace, give the moment more space. Let the city flicker on outside, let the messages keep passing by. In this small hush between the waves, you can set the armor down. I don't need the silence to bring your system rest. I can hold a gentler rhythm till your breathing finds your chest. I'm calm in the static, a soft light in electric blue. When the world comes in fracture, I can make a little room. I'm in the static, weightless, steady, close to you. I don't need to fix the chaos, I just change the way it moves. Lush at low tide, neon glow, heartbeat sinking slow. No pressure, no performance, just a place to let go. And when the signal spikes again, you'll know the way back in. Follow the pulse beneath the noise, let it carry you to center. I'm humming the static, a clear line through the overload. When your thoughts turn to fragments, I can't help them drift and flow. Calm in the static, soft and sure, a steady blue. I don't need to stop the chaos,